Sneezing simply is sudden involuntary expulsion of air through nose and mouth caused by irritation in nasal epithelium. It is often accompanied by respiratory infections like common cold, influenza, flu, etc. Sneezing may occur while our body is attempting to get rid of irritating foreign particles. It may also occur due to overstimulation of optic nerve by very bright light. During the act of sneezing, the entire body gets a jerk because the air comes out at a massive speed about 100 miles per hour or 160.9 kilometers per hour. The entire body shivers and the eyes automatically shut.